Assalamu alaikum. How to apply animations on your videos? Download CapCut application and open CapCut application. Select new project and select video which you want to apply animation. From here select the video timeline and now from here tap on animation button. I will guide you with one animation complete so you can check the other animations. From here you can unselect animation. Now I will select and apply this one animation. So we have applied successfully. From here you can increase the time length of your animation and decrease. For example, we want to increase the time length of our animation so it will process in slow. And if you want to decrease the time so it will process quick. Okay, there are 3 sections in out combo. There are different type of animations which you can apply. In combo I will show you this one. This is my favorite. So with this method you can apply animations on your videos. Thank you for watching.